Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how a roll-off trailer works step by step. We're going through unloading and loading a bin from start to finish. To unload, position the trailer where you want the bin placed. Make sure the ground is level and stable. Start by releasing the lock and the security chains. Now tilt the trailer upwards. Slowly release the winch. The bin will begin sliding back, making sure you control the speed the entire time. The rear of the bin will touch the ground first, then slide off completely. Once the bin is fully off, release the winch enough so you can move the trailer a bit and unhook the winch. Once the bin is completely off, unhook the cable. Lower the trailer back down. Hook the cable and this E-ring. And you're ready for your next load. Now to load a bin, first you want to line up the trailer straight with the bin. You want to be as straight as possible. If you're off, the container can come up uneven or off the rails. Put the truck in neutral and make sure the area is clear. Clutch out the winch. Pull out the cable and hook it on. And hook it on upwards. Then clutch back in. Tilt the trailer. This lowers the back to the ground and creates a ramp. Start pulling the bin in slowly. As the bin reaches the rear rollers, slow down. The most important part is keeping everything straight and controlled. As the bin comes up, begin lowering the trailer back down. This helps keep the load level as it moves onto the deck. Continue pulling until the bin is fully seated at the front of the trailer. Once it's in place, secure the bin using the lock and hook on the security chains. Double check your locks and you're ready to transport. Always go slow, stay aligned, and keep clear of the cable while operating. That's a complete process of unloading and loading a bin. I hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe and follow for more content.